My name is Samantha and today I wanted to show you how to cook air fried pork steak, or as they call them here in Portugal, bifanas. They are fantastic for a quick, light meal that you can serve with some salad. Have you tried the air fryer free mini course? Are you new to the air fryer? Let me introduce you to our 5-day free quick start mini course. It answers a lot of beginner air fryer questions, gives you simple air fryer recipes to follow, and helps you get confident with your air fryer. You can get it for free at recipethis.com/ebooks or search recipethis.com for air fryer mini course. Air fried pork steaks, one of my favourite cheap things to cook in the air fryer. The question is, what do you call them where you're from? You know, some people might consider them to be boneless pork chops, others might just call them pork steaks, or where I live at the moment in Portugal, they're called bifanas, and bifanas are traditionally served in warm sandwiches and are a staple of the Portuguese diet. So whatever you call them, let's get them in the air fryer. It doesn't matter if yours are partly frozen, they still air fry perfectly. So just grab as many or as few of them as you want to air fry. You can just do 2 if you wanted, or you could double it up. For example, I'm going to show you how to do 4. So then you simply place them in the air fryer basket. Turn your air fryer on and you're aiming for 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. And we've baked. Shall we check to see how far along our pork steaks are? Bearing in mind that I've done a double layer of them and I've just put them on for 8 minutes so far. Wow. So, as you can see, they're not quite there. You've still got a bit of pink in them, but they're really not far off. Have a look there, they're looking good. So, I'm just going to use this opportunity to turn them, because you want them nice and crispy. And then let's put them on for 2 more minutes and then see how they're doing. So let's check on our pork, shall we? Oh yeah, perfect pork steaks now. We just needed that little bit longer, but note that if you search recipethis.com for our air fried pork steak recipe, we actually didn't do any on top of each other, so this decreased the cook time and we managed to do them in just 8 minutes. But it also depends on how thick your pork steaks are. Ours are quite thin that we've used here, and it just comes down to size. And also how powerful your air fryer is, because if you're using a more powerful one than ours, your cook time will of course reduce. And while the air fryer, I should say, was cooking the pork steaks, I did a quick salad, tomatoes, lettuce, that kind of thing. And then it's just perfect for loading a pork steak onto your plate with a salad, and it's a lovely light lunch. Also perfect if you're on a low calorie diet, low carb, keto, that kind of thing. And it's just easy and simple, and the kind of food we love to cook in the air fryer. Today's recipe is all part of one of our themes that we're running at the moment. It's called 12 idiot-proof air fryer recipes. Not my choice of title, but one of my readers asked me for air fryer recipes that were idiot-proof, that was so simple that a child could do them, and that's what today's recipes are about. The reason we run themes on our YouTube channel is so that we can focus on a certain type of cooking. You can scroll through our videos and then see which one best applies to you, and then you can pick and choose which ones of our air fryer recipes you are going to recreate at home. Thanks so much for watching. We would love it if you joined the Recipe This family. You can get as involved as you like. You're welcome to follow us on Facebook or Pinterest. Join our Facebook groups, we have 2. Join our Kitchen Gadgets newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to ding the bell for instant notifications. Or check out our podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets and is a great way to listen along as we talk about the magic of cooking with kitchen gadgets. Even better, if you head over to recipethis.com, you'll find more than 1,000 kitchen gadget recipes. Think air fryer, instant pot, soup maker, slow cooker, bread maker and more.